Hi y'all, we're in the warehouse today, and I'm so excited to show you a brand new product from Killarney Metals, the refrigerator leak pan. My name is Georgia Scott Toll. This is General Toll. Let's go. Welcome to Pans at a Glance. This is the refrigerator leak pan. This pan comes in many different sizes with 3 different finishes. General, tell them what they are. This pan is meant to protect the floor beneath your appliance. If your fridge does leak, the water will move forward over time, notifying you of the problem. Don't settle for a plastic pan that cracks. Get a Killarney Metals pan that lasts a lifetime.